Founded in 2010, we've specialized in custom manufacturing for 15 years. With over 8,000 square meters of space, today we're taking you on a factory tour to show how everything is made, floor by floor. The first floor is acrylic printing, laminating, and cutting area. Our stable printing systems deliver vibrant colors across a wide range of materials. The laminating machines allow to apply various films to acrylic products, while high-precision cutting ensures smooth edges and accurate sizing. The second floor is for assembly and packing. All parts and accessories are hand-assembled and quality-checked in this area. Once completed, products are carefully packed and ready to ship out. The third floor is our office area. The fourth floor is the warehouse, storing a wide range of materials, including various wood and acrylic sheets. On the fifth floor, we produce stickers, washi tape, foil products, sticky notes, and button badges. The sixth floor is the epoxy coating room. Through precise epoxy work, acrylic products achieve a refined, high-gloss finish. Thanks for joining our factory tour. We can't wait to bring these creations from our factory to your hands.